Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on growing your own tomatoes at home, brought to you by No Kid Hungry, North Carolina. To start, you're going to need the following items: tomato seeds or a tomato seedling. If you're starting from seeds, a seed starting mix and a seed starting tray, an old plastic bucket or a garden bed, a trowel or a stick, and water. If you are starting from seeds, place your seed starting mix in however many containers you want to have tomato plants in. Then poke 2 holes in each one of the containers. Put 1 seed in each hole. Great. Gently cover the seeds with the seed starting mix. And then spray a little bit of water on top. Continue to water your plants over the next few weeks so that the soil stays moist but not soggy. Once your seedlings are a few inches tall, you're going to want to select the largest seedling and remove the smaller one. To do this, simply use a pair of scissors or gardening shears and cut right at the base of the seedling. Once you've selected your seedlings, continue to water them and let them grow until the weather outside warms up. Once the seedling that you selected gets a little bit bigger, before we put it in the garden, we need to do something called hardening off. This means that we let the plant adjust to the outside before we put it in the garden. To do this, we're going to put the tomato seedlings outside in filtered sun for a few hours on the first day, and then a few hours longer the next day. Do this for about 3 or 4 days until they can spend the whole day outside. Once they've spent about 2 or 3 days outside, we can put them into the garden. Once your seedlings are ready to be planted, use a trowel or stick to dig a hole just deep enough so that you can fill the soil up to the first leaves on the tomato plant. Lastly, I have one little tip that can help you increase your tomato yield. If you let one of those suckers grow long enough, you can actually use it as a new tomato plant. This is because tomatoes have what are called adventitious roots. This means they can grow roots from any part of the plant. Just grab another small bucket and pot and plant that sucker right in the soil, all the way up to the first set of leaves, and add water. At first, the leaves may wilt and it might seem like the tomato isn't doing very well, but just give it a few days and it should come back. Here's an example of that sucker. You can see the main stem right here, and then there's another leaf on the side, and that's the sucker. So you just take a set of scissors or shears and just cut it right off. Get another pot with gardening soil and press the sucker down to the first set of leaves. Thanks for watching this video, and for more information on growing tomatoes at home, and for some tips to help you use your tomatoes as well as other recipes, visit CarolinaHungerInitiative.org/Harvest of the Month.